Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will solve this problem step by step and learn a simple method to find the value of a from this given nice math problem. A raised to power 3039 then plus a raised to the power of 2026 is equal to 36. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Let us begin. We have the given equation a raised to power 3039 plus a raised to power 2026 is equal to 36. This can be written as a raised to power 1013 multiplied by 3 plus this can also be written as a raised to power 1013 multiplied by 2 is equal to 36. Take note of this, that if you have a raised to power m to the power of n, this is equal to a raised to power mn. This can be written as a raised to power 1013 all raised to the power of 3 plus this can be written as a raised to power 1013 all square is equal to 36. Let a raised to power 1013 is equal to y. Now the all of this can be written as y raised to power 3 plus this can be written as y square is equal to 36. Y raised to power 3 plus y square minus 36 is equal to 0. But 36 is equal to 27 plus 9. Y raised to power 3 plus y square minus 27 plus 9 is equal to 0. Y raised to power 3 plus y square minus 27 minus 9 is equal to 0. 27 is equal to 3 raised to power 3. 9 is equal to 3 square. Y raised to power 3 plus y square minus 3 raised to power 3 minus 3 square is equal to 0. And this is y raised to power 3 minus 3 raised to power 3 plus y square minus 3 square is equal to 0. Take note of this, that if you have a raised to power 3 minus b raised to power 3, this is equal to a minus b bracket a square plus ab plus b square. Then if you have a square minus b square, this is equal to a plus b bracket a minus b. Then the whole of this can be written as y minus 3 bracket y square plus 3y plus 3 square bracket plus the whole of this can be written as y plus 3 bracket y minus 3 is equal to 0. Then here you can see that y minus 3 is common here and is here. Let us factor it out. We have y minus 3 bracket. If you divide the whole of this by this y minus 3, we have y square plus 3y plus 3 square, that is 9. Then plus, if you divide the whole of this by this y minus 3, we have y plus 3, close the bracket, is equal to 0. This is y minus 3 bracket. Here is y square plus 3y plus y, that is 4y plus 9 plus 3, that is 12, is equal to 0. There are two cases here. The first case is this y minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, y is equal to 3. This is the first value of y. And the second case is this y square plus 4y plus 12 is equal to 0. Note from the question, we said that a is a member of real number. So from here, we can only solve this using quadratic general formula. And our quadratic general formula is giving us y is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a, or discriminant d must be greater than 0 for it to be a real number. This is equal to b square minus 4ac must be greater than 0 in order to make it real. Then from this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to the coefficient of y, which is 4, and then c is equal to the constant here, which is 12. D is equal to 4 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 12. D is equal to 16 minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 12. That is 48. D is equal to 16 minus 48 minus 32, and this is less than 0, so it is rejected. Therefore, the only real solution we have is this, which is y is equal to 3. But recall that a raised to power 1013 is equal to y. Then a raised to power 1013 is equal to y is 3. Let us multiply the exponent of both sides of this equation by 1 over 1013. That is a raised to power 1013 all to the power of 1 over 1013 is equal to 3 raised to power 1 over 1013. This cancel this. A is equal to 1 over 3 raised to power 1013. Then this is the final answer. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation. a raised to power 3039 plus a raised to power 2026 is equal to 36. And a is equal to 3 raised to power 1 over 1013. Then this is 3 raised to power 1 over 1013 raised to the power of 3039 plus 3 raised to power 1 over 1013 raised to the power of 2026 must be equal to 36. Then if you have a raised to power m to the power of n, this is equal to a raised to power mn. Now we have 3 raised to power 3039 over 1013 plus 3 raised to power 2026 over 1013 must be equal to 36. 1013 here 1, 1013 here 3, 1013 here 1, 1013 here 2. Then this is 3 raised to power 3 plus 3 square must be equal to 36. 3 raised to power 3, this is 27 plus 3 square 9 must be equal to 36. 27 plus 9, this is 36, is equal to 36, meaning that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget the step by step. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.